The iPhone 16. Apple's latest flagship is set to redefine what we expect from smartphones. Let's break down everything we know so far, from design leaks to the new iOS features. So, buckle up and let's get started. First up, the design. The iPhone 16 series is rumored to feature larger displays with thinner bezels, enhancing the visual experience significantly. The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are expected to come with 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch screens, respectively. This is a noticeable bump from the iPhone 15 Pro models, which sported 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch displays. The standard iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus will likely maintain their 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch sizes, but will get a major upgrade with a 120Hz refresh rate, bringing smoother animations and interactions to the basic variants. But wait, there's more. The design also includes a new vertical camera layout for the standard models, reminiscent of the iPhone 12. This change is not just aesthetic, it allows for spatial video recording, a feature previously exclusive to the Pro models. Now you can be an amateur filmmaker with just your regular iPhone 16. And let's not forget the rumored capture button aimed at simplifying video recording. This button is accepted to offer various functions like adjusting zoom levels with a swipe, focusing with half press, and capturing with a full press. Imagine no more fumbling with your phone while trying to get that perfect shot. Now, let's talk about the cameras. Apple has always been at the forefront of smartphone photography, and the iPhone 16 is set to push the boundaries even further. The Pro models are rumored to feature a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, enhancing the quality of macro shots and spatial video capture. Additionally, Apple is exploring new anti-reflective optical coatings for its lenses, aiming to reduce lens flare and ghosting for clearer images in various lighting conditions. One of the standout features could be the Tetra Prism 5x optical zoom lens, which promises to bring professional-grade zoom capabilities to your pocket. Just think, you could zoom in on that squirrel in the park from across the street, all while pretending you're a wildlife photographer. This, combined with Apple's AI-driven image processing, means you can expect some of the best photos and videos ever seen on an iPhone. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 series is expected to be powered by the new A18 chipset. The Pro models will get an A18 Pro variant, which will include enhanced neural processing capabilities for better AI and machine learning performance. This should make tasks like photo and video editing, games, and augmented reality applications smoother and more efficient. So if you're a mobile gamer, you can expect to crush your enemies with zero lag. Battery life is also getting a boost. The iPhone 16 is rumored to come with a 3,561 mAh battery compared to the 3,349 mAh battery in the iPhone 15. Apple is also reportedly addressing the overheating issues found in previous models by using a metal covering for the battery instead of a foil casing. This change not only improves battery life but also enhances the overall durability and safety of the device. No more holding a mini hand warmer during those long calls. No new iPhone release is complete without an upgraded operating system, and this year we're getting iOS 18. Apple has packed iOS 18 with new features aimed at making your iPhone experience more intuitive and powerful. Apple continues to lead the charge in user privacy with new features that give you more control over your data. Expect enhanced app tracking transparency and improved security measures for your personal information. They've basically turned your phone into a Fort Knox. Widgets are getting a significant upgrade in iOS 18. They will be more interactive and customizable, allowing for real-time updates and actions directly from the home screen. Finally, widgets that do more than just look pretty. With the new AR capabilities, iOS 18 will become more immersive and interactive experiences. This is expected to complement the enhanced camera features of the iPhone 16, making it a great tool for AR applications. The future is here, and it's augmented. The Health app is getting new metrics and deeper integration with the Apple Watch, providing more comprehensive tracking of your fitness and wellness goals. So if you've been slacking on those New Year's resolutions, your iPhone will definitely keep you on track. Siri is getting smarter with the iOS 18. The virtual assistant will now support more natural language processing and provide more accurate and context-aware responses. It's like having your own personal assistant, minus the coffee runs. The iPhone 16 lineup is expected to be revealed at an Apple event in early September 2024, with pre-orders likely starting shortly after the announcement and shipping commencing later in the month. Pricing is expected to remain in line with the iPhone 15 series, starting at $799 for the standard models and $1199 for the Pro models. Time to start saving those pennies. The iPhone 16 is shaping up to be a game changer with its larger displays, advanced camera systems, enhanced battery lives, and powerful new chipset. Coupled with the innovative features for iOS 18, it's clear that Apple is pushing the envelope once again. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming iPhone 16? Are you excited about the new features? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. Until next time, stay tech savvy.